Hi, good afternoon. Today is Saturday, and this video I am going to dedicate to all the Indian women who love the gold. Okay, this dedicated video for all the women who invest only in gold, who don't believe in any other thing. Okay, so hats up to all of you who has taken this decision and invested in gold and made your family proud about you. Okay, so let me explain what is going to happen in gold in coming days. Okay, so I have already updated. There will be correction coming in the month of February 17. So before that only crash came. Okay, so and it corrected almost 20% in the gold. And now what is next? What is going to happen? This video is all about the gold. Okay, so fasten your seat belt and sit and watch complete video and understand what is happening in the world of gold and who is richest in this world. Okay, the most important thing is who is richest in the world: US, China, India, or you, the woman up in India. Okay, so you want to know about this? So let's completely watch this video and understand. Okay, so I have made a small presentation on this. Okay, so that you get a better fair idea about the gold. Okay, so this will help you to understand how, where, and what happened to actually the gold. Okay, see, it's a cycle. Okay, so whether it's a gold or silver or stock market or anything, whether it's a life, it's a cycle. So everything runs in a cycle. Now, due to Neptune, Uranus, and Saturn cycle, the metal prices, even Mars, okay, so metal prices are going like anything. Okay, this is all the effect of why the gold price is going up. That is based on the financial astrology. But other things also matters. Okay, so I will come to that. Okay. Now we'll see. Second thing, what I'm going to show you, the structural bull run, not a temporary rally. Okay, so trust in paper assets. Okay, old world used to trust in paper assets. That is, they used to trust in bond, paper, okay, like treasury bills and all those things. Standard market fluctuations used to happen. Short-term momentum used to happen. Okay, when Russia attacked Ukraine, okay, so Russia asked the foreign reserve to release, which was invested in US dollar. Okay, so US has freeze the entire account. Okay, so this created the uncertainty among the world. Uh, Due to that, all countries are thinking we should not rely on US. Okay, so please note that in coming days, dollar price going to crash like anything. Okay, so be aware about that. There is a lot of reason behind that. And why I am saying that today, if you are thinking that dollar going to become costly, so you are wrong, because uh, US purposely they want dollar to go down and gold price to go up. Okay, there is a systematic planning, systematic game plan is happening. See, if you see why the gold price suddenly moved up. Okay, so now people started trusting only physical gold. Reason is nobody have a control on this. Okay, you cannot freeze your assets. Nobody can freeze your assets. Okay, whereas dollar, if you invest, they can freeze the dollar, but they cannot freeze the gold. Okay, so hence countries like China, Russia, and India now investing more in gold. So this is the major structural bull run why this has came in the gold. Okay. Now the six pillars of the rally are central bank who started accumulation for de-dollarization, geopolitical tension where war risk, safe haven demand. Okay. Global debt and inflation, money supply. See, US has printed dollar like anything. Okay, so they wanted because they are really in bad shape. Okay, so very soon you will see by 2027 US will be struggling to survive. Okay, that kind of condition going to happen. That is, I am not telling that Astro Finance tells actually. This is the cycle, as I said, and the most of the jobs will going to come to India, China, and all these countries. Okay. You might have seen one movie in Kannada, that is Upendra has directed and Upendra has acted, where US people coming in India and begging. Okay, so that might become, uh, true. You might say I am a little bit, over exhausting this thing. This film is directed by Upendra long back, and he is a visionary actor. Based on that movie, I am telling you, okay, today whatever the real estate value what you see in India, that is going to become like New York, okay, Washington kind of setup. It will take time, but definitely that's going to happen. Not because of the leadership of Modi and all those things. This is a cycle. This is a change. Okay, that is going to happen. Okay, so irrespective of any leader, if any other person comes also, this is going to happen. That's for sure. Okay, so global debt and inflation, money supply inflation, weak dollar expectations, and ETF allocation shifts. People started investing the exchange traded funds in gold, recession hedging, interest rate cuts. Okay, so when you make your mutual fund portfolio also, at least 25% of your investment should be in gold funds. Okay, so gold funds means exchange traded gold funds or mutual funds who invest in gold. Okay, so it will balance your in any case if any COVID like situation comes. So at that time, this gold will help you to safeguard your other equity funds. Okay, so interest rate cuts, agar lower rates is equal to higher liquidity. Okay, so now the central bank power game, what they are doing, the old guard, what they used to do, like USA, they used to invest most of the investment in gold. Like they are having reserve of 8,133 tons of gold. Who? USA. Germany is second, that is 3,350 tons of gold they have in their reserve. Okay. Now, after that, the recent new flow, who is aggressively investing, they are China, Poland, Turkey, and India. And steadily they are investing. China, whatever they are showing on paper is different, but inside they might be having more gold reserve than the US. That is also possible because they are not like in India. They don't have an opposition party where you will go and bombard everywhere outside. Okay. So why nation de-dollarization happening? Sanction fears, the Russia president, whatever that happened, asset freeze happened. Due to that thing, this is possible. Okay. Political neutrality. So why we should listen to US? That kind of mindset. So US sidelining the US and political. So why Trump is doing all these things? He want to safeguard the country. That is the reason he is doing all these tariff and all those problems he is creating. Okay, so this will reverse him in other way. So very soon you will see that political neutrality. So you see that currency protection, hedge against crashes and inflation. So tomorrow if de-dollarization happens, if the dollar price crashes, okay, then it's a problem for other countries. Hence, gold is the safe haven. This is a diversification, reducing USD shares in reserves. Okay. The global price architecture, if you see Goldman Sachs, which is what they say, what will going to happen to gold. Okay. They says that $5,400 price will come to gold. Like somebody like other extreme UBS says $6,200. 6,200 means 6,000 into 90 rupees you calculate. Nearly 4 to 5 lakh rupees cost of the gold price will going to happen by 2027. Okay. This is their study. But before that, there will be some correction. And those correction, you should keep investing in gold. Okay. But recently, I thought it will go to 1.2 lakh, 1 lakh, but it reversed from 1.38 lakh. Okay. So that was a good opportunity, but it happens. What to say? Okay. So 1.38 lakh was a good opportunity to buy, even 1.52 lakh also. Now, suddenly it went above now 1.6 lakh, which is resistance zone of the gold price in technical term. Okay. Now let's talk about India. See, this figure is wrong actually. This is I wanted to keep this as a target, but now next bull it will go to 5 lakh rupees. Okay. So whenever there is a down price in the gold, our Indian retail investors will go and invest in gold, and gold price will never fall. Okay. So that is the main thing. But it will fall. There is a correction. That correction you should accumulate using ETFs instead of physical gold. Okay. So the world hidden gold superpower. Okay. If you see, it's none other than you, a Indian lady. Okay. If you come out and sell all your gold today, gold will crash like anything. If all Indian women go and sell gold today, gold price will crash like anything. That's my point. Because US Federal Reserve is having 8,133 ton, whereas Indian household is having 25,000 to 34,600 tons, which is highest in the world. And 80 to 90% of India's GDP. Hats up to all of you. Once again. Okay. So that is the power of an Indian woman. So that's what I said. You guys are great. Okay. So now you see, this is called Sridhan, the economic power of Indian households. Okay, Indian women 24,000 tons gold they are having. It is equal to USA, Germany, Italy, France, and Russia combined. Okay, it's greater than that. Okay, so who is rich in the world? Tell me now. The women financial security assets, approximately 11% of the global total. So that's you. Okay, that is the reason I said I am going to dedicate this video to all the great women of the India. Okay. So this distributed wealth, if you see, parallel banking in rural India, gold is in the bank account. Collateral gold loans rise when the economy slows. Emergency fund, people use this as an emergency fund by hedging the gold. And traditional status like dowry, weddings, that is the reason why people buy gold to show up in marriages. Okay. Accepted holding tax guidelines. Married women minimum should 500 grams of gold. Unmarried should have 250 grams. This is the accepted guideline from the government of India for the tax regime. Now, the gold capital, who is the gold capital? That is South India. Okay, so again, you need to be proud about that. Okay, so 40% of total Indian household gold is in South India. Okay, so why people, other countries used to call India as golden bird. Okay, Soni ki chidiya. Okay, so why they used to tell? Because there are many other reasons also, but still, if you see this presentation, you will understand the power of the gold is South India. Deep temple culture. I think Tirupati Timmappa might be having a lot of gold. Okay. Essential for every ceremony. Strong inheritance tradition. Significant NRI inflows. So every Keralians who goes to Dubai, they bring the gold. Okay. You might have seen recent so many scams, gold smuggling, and all those things which used to happen. That's all because of the love towards the gold. Okay. And it is an asset for every family. So if you see state hold, who is having maximum gold? Tamil Nadu is number one, Kerala is number two, Karnataka is number three. Okay, Tamil Nadu having undisputed king of 6,700 tons of gold, highest, and Kerala highest per capita holding. If you see comparison per capita, per household, how much gold every household is having, that is Kerala. But Tamil Nadu is having maximum gold reserve. And Karnataka comes number three. Then Andhra Pradesh, due to heavy wedding demand, they are having Gujarat business wealth and bullion investment. Okay, so they invest in gold funds. So the Indian floor mechanic, why crash don't sustain in the market? Whenever the global price comes down, so our Indian women will be there in the jewelry shop to buy gold. That's it. Okay. Strategic outlook and time horizons. Short term, weak months, okay, volatility range bound buy and dips. Medium term, 2026, new all time high likely. Long term, structural bullish unit until rare cycle reverses. Okay, so as I said, 2027 will be gold rush again. And whenever you get a bearish moment in the gold, you must invest in gold. Okay, this is about the actual understanding of the structural demand, why gold is going up, what is happening globally, and all those things I try to explain in this video. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, एक like एक share तो बनता है. Okay, so you should share this video with your friends, and if you are looking to learn all these things technically, I can show you that also, what is the scenario of the gold and what price going to happen in the gold. Okay, so let me explain that also to you so that you get a fair idea when you should enter the buy the gold. Okay, now you see I am showing you the gold price. Okay. Now you see here in 2020, the gold price was 56,391. From there, it has corrected. Okay. Again, I am explaining it to you. Okay. It has corrected around about 20%. Okay. Now, the new high is this one. And from here, it has corrected almost around about 24%. Okay. So I was expected this correction way before everybody thinks. Okay. And this, I clearly told all of you that there will be correction, wait to buy. But I was expecting this price to come to this level. That is 98,000, 1,10,000 and 1,27,000 based on certain calculation. Okay. It is not just blindly I am saying. Okay. It's based on certain calculation. Now, what happened when the price came down like this? Suddenly, price moved up because of who has pushed this price. Okay. Now, again, this is crossing this level. Okay. That means again the bullish cycle is in the gold. Now, it is not the right time to buy gold. Again, wait. So, one more correction will come. So, wait for that. I cannot say when it will come. It might come in June, July, or it might come in October also. Okay. So, blindly I am saying till that time you need to wait. If you are in hurry, this was the opportunity. So to buy actually. So I said February there was one more correction on 15th, 16th, 17th like that. So due to solar eclipse, that small correction but not led to bigger correction. So from here only the gold has reversed. Okay. So my target for the gold is 1 lakh to 1,10,000 range. So that will happen. And above this, the target for gold is 2,66,000 and it might go to 5 lakh also. Okay. So that is possible. And before that, this correction will come and wait for that correction to buy this gold on dip. Okay. Don't be in hurry to invest in gold, but don't try to buy physical gold. Instead of that, I request you to invest in gold ETFs because liquidity problem will not be there and you don't need to worry at all. Okay. These are all secured investments. Okay. So hope you like this video. And if you like, please share, subscribe to channel. And I'm going to bring one more video on how to do investment in stock market. About that also I'm going to show you in next video. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.